Hi, my name is Swanee Edwards. I'm a 23-year resident of Woodland Estates, a retirement community in Morgan Hill, and I'm also a Valley Water ambassador. When I moved here, our clubhouse was surrounded by old grass. There were a few trees here, but they were in pretty bad shape. And we decided to try to update our landscaping here and wanted to do something that was drought tolerant, that would use a lot less water, that would pretty much take care of itself. And we had a landscape architect to work up a design utilizing drought-resistant plants and native California plants especially, and a lot of color. We started the project in 2017, right in the middle of the drought. The design was done in about a year. We sent out the design for bid, and San Jose Tree out of San Jose came back with the best bid, the best value contract for the work. The total contract was about $104,000. And after our rebates of $61,000, it paid for over half of the whole project. We saved a lot of water the first month, about 9,000 gallons according to the city. And now in our second full year, the landscaping has filled in. It's stunning, it's beautiful. And we really liked working with San Jose Tree. They were out here every day, worked closely with us, and we've really enjoyed the relationship with them. They're now our landscape maintenance contractors as well, and just finished a tree survey of our 109 corporate-owned trees and assess the conditions, and so we'll be taking care of those this fall, getting ready for winter. I highly recommend that you contact San Jose Tree for your gardening, landscaping, and tree service needs. It's a great crew, they're great communicators, and have really made us happy here at Woodland Estates. Thank you.